Okay, so we'll cover the g underscore form dot set display methods example real quick. So let's try to create a scenario. Okay, like if the channel is email, then uh, okay, we'll create a new field itself. Okay, so we'll try to cover a few scenarios in this simple example. Okay, first is uh, how to create a new custom field. Yeah. So for example, we'll cover email address as the custom field on the incident table. Okay. So go to configure, go to form layout. Okay. So the name is email address. Yeah. Should be a medium. If I add it, so yeah, I want it right below the channel. Okay. Let me save this. Okay. So until this is saved, we'll just note down. So this is a new field that we have created, email address below the channel. Okay. So this is how we have created a new field on the incident form, incident table. So now my requirement is to show this field only when the channel is email. Okay. Otherwise hide this field. So this can be easily done with the UI policy, but since like we are testing this set display method, we'll try this with the client script then. Yeah, and because like which type of client script, because this is based on like another field's value, that is channel. The visibility of email address is dependent on the value of another field, so essentially it needs to be on change client script. Okay, so we'll first of all save this the backend names, okay, for the channel. So okay, so this is done. Our second part is email address should be visible only when the channel is email. Okay, so we'll try to find the backend names. So the backend name for channel is contact type. uh, then let me get these values. So just right click and type the, I mean, select the configure dictionary. Yeah, so the column name is contact underscore type. And if we go down to the choices, so these are all are the choices. So for example, email, the label is caps, E is in capital, but the value is this small email. So this is what we need, email. Okay, so uh, email backend name we can say is email. Okay, and this is a new field that we have created, email address. So we'll get the, see, u underscore email underscore address. Okay, so we'll store this part as well, u underscore email underscore address. See, most of the times when we create a new variable, right, custom variables, this name starts with u most of the times. Okay, so now okay, now what is our requirement? Email address should be visible only when the channel is email. Okay, so right click, go to configure, go to client scripts. New uh, email address field visibility. Okay. So we'll do it everywhere. All the type would be on change. C and field name needs to be the channel, right? Channel. Okay. So what we'll do, first of all, G underscore form. Okay. Anyways, we'll store this value where uh, ch is equal to G underscore form dot get value of what is the backend name? I think it is contact type, right? Yeah. So just copy this contact type and then give an alert. Give an alert for ch. Okay. So whenever this field channel is going to change, our client script should execute. So okay, let's try to see if the alert is coming at least. So yeah, for starting, we'll understand. Okay, so channel is none. If I select it to chat, okay, chat is coming. If I select email, see email is coming up. So these all are the backend names. Phone is coming up. Self-service, we can say. Virtual agent. Walk in. Okay. So our client script is now executing. So we have checked that part. Now if we give a if, okay, if ch is equal to uh what is the name, email. If ch is equal to email, then give me an alert that okay, yes, it is selected. So we'll go step by step. Yeah. So if the channel is email, then just tell me yes, so that I can understand that okay, um, our if condition is now capturing the email value. So whenever we do changes in this client side logic, we need to refresh the browser. Yeah. So channel, if I select email, okay, first alert is email, second alert is yes. Okay. So just to double check, I will try with something other. Like if I tag self-service, okay, self-service. See, now the yes did not come. Yeah, so it is working. So now what I will do, okay, now our main purpose g underscore form dot set display. Yeah, now we'll use that method here. So g underscore form dot set display. Yeah, the variable name would be it is u underscore email underscore address, right? It is u underscore email underscore address. So uh, it okay. See the parameters here. Okay, set display field name in the string value. So your field name is given in the string value. So this display should be boolean. Boolean is true or false. Yeah. So we'll give true. Okay. And what happens otherwise? We'll give one more else condition. So in the if condition, see this else condition is means what, that this channel is not email. Okay. So we'll give an alert as no, and here we'll again use g underscore form dot set display. We'll again copy the variable name in the string u underscore email underscore address, and see the second parameter needs to be the display in the boolean form, so we'll set it as false. Okay, now let's test it once. So see, I've just updated the client script, so I will refresh my browser. Okay. See, if I say chat, the value is chat. This has come no. Yeah. So there is an error on change script error, reference error, g underscore from is not a defined function. See, it should be g underscore form, right? G underscore form. Okay. Let me do it again. Is the code say updated? No. G underscore form dot yes, it's updated. Okay. So let me try with the okay. So I will give email as my first one. Email, okay. It is in the yes loop because it's email and email address is mandatory. Let me change it to self-service. Self-service, no. Then it is hidden. See, that email address is gone. Again, if you wanted email, yes, email address is back. You want it like virtual agent, says virtual agent, goes in the no loop, and then it is hidden. So this is the purpose of g underscore form dot set display method. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Now, like one might ask, like, okay, why not use UI policy? Yeah, we can use UI policy, but there are some like if we need to give some alert or if we need to like prohibit the form submission, return false, and also for those purposes, you need to use the client script essentially. Yeah. Okay, so we'll paste this code into the description so you can like try yourself. Yeah, so this is our scenario and the details, and this is the script. Okay, so if there are more use cases that you have come across about this, like g underscore form dot set display, so please do comment those out. So yeah, we'll also try to know if like there are some other use cases of this method. Yeah, thank you.